Hey YouTube, it's Michael. I just wanted to show you our sunrise this morning. Let me see if I can. I'll just. Oh wow, I didn't see that part. As the sun travels across the plain, the flat plain. That's why that it's focused all the light on one point right there, because it's not 93 million miles away. It's pretty miraculous sunrise. It smells like rain out here too, although it didn't rain last night. And yeah, these look like real clouds. I don't see anything nefarious at this moment. So I got a P 830 camera on Goodwill. I paid $111 for it, and I found out you can get it for cheaper on Craigslist. Oh well. But it's 38 times zoom, and I kind of learned how to use it yesterday, and I just need to get an SD card for it, and then I'm going to start filming and hopefully be able to catch one of the chemtrail planes when they are destroyed with prayer, which I've only captured one other time. Well, no, I've seen it happen 5 times, but I have a pretty good film of it on after praying to the Heavenly Father to remove it from our skies. It burst into a yellow flash, and it separated into 2 white orbs, or Foo Fighters, and the chemtrail planes or remnant clouds around it formed into a skull and a demon. One of the demons is looking around the head of the other one, and the eyeball is completely clear. But when I get the film, and I put it in on negative, on exposure negative, you can see the white orbs. They look like black dots against the white pattern clouds. You can clearly see them. And later on in the film, it looks like both of them crashed and fell to the ground, because there was a trail that went down like this. And I didn't notice it right away, but my friend did when he watched the film with me, because I was showing him how it, burst into a flash and then turned into 2 white orbs. And, no more spraying for that one. Adios. That was a great prayer. I started that prayer out, I remember specifically, by just saying, Heavenly Father, please hear my prayer. And that chemtrail plane was destroyed in 3 seconds or less. It was amazing. So, anyway, to make a long story short, I'm going to try using that P840 camera and make some new films. I haven't been seeing a lot of chemtrail planes, although yesterday there was a lot of chemtrails, but they were dumping them like from over there, and they'd blow over this way. So we'll see. I don't think those memory cards are too expensive. So I'll look and see if I can get one maybe today or tomorrow. All right. God bless you and your families, and I'll talk to you later.